We'll guide you through how to give or gift people Robux on Roblox Mobile. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really cool to do because perhaps somebody's got no Robux and you want to go and give them some. Because of course, to go and do loads of different things on Roblox, you need to have Robux. For example, to go and get clothes and could go and do other things as well. So we'll guide you through how that can be done. So if we go and look on this Roblox account where the Robux currently is, I'll just go and press the Robux icon in the top right. You can see I've got 156 Robux here. And what I want to do is I want to go and get some Robux onto this account. So I'll go and press the Robux icon in the top right, the 0. So if you're giving this to somebody else, go and share this video with them so they understand the process. Or if you're doing it with just your own accounts, that's fine. So you want to go onto the account where you're going and wanting the Robux on and you want to go and give it to. In this case, this is GR videos for me. So then what we're going to be doing here is you need to go and head to the bottom right. There you can go and press more. This will go and open up a page of loads of different options. What you need to do is go and scroll down and press create. And just to confirm, do just make sure it's just full videos, so you know what to do step by step, as there's some important things you don't want to miss out on. Go and press create and this page will open up. What you need to do is go and head to the top left and you'll go and see the 3 lines. Go and tap there. Now you want to go down here, just the second option, and press creations. Now by default, everybody's going to have a place there with their name. You need to go and tap it. I found that when using the creations, you have to double tap sometimes or just tap it and then tap it again, like select and then click. Then once you're here, you're going to see some info about the place. Don't worry too much. Don't get overwhelmed by this. Press the 3 lines in the top left. Now you need to go and scroll down here and you want to go and find the section monetization and passes. Sometimes Roblox do sort of change the location of things, but ultimately find passes somewhere in this list. Go and tap it. Now it's likely for you, you're probably going to have no passes here. So don't worry if you don't. I've got a few here, doesn't matter. And what we're going to do is press create a pass. So go and tap that there. Do keep watching and trust the process as well. So optionally, you can add image here. This doesn't matter too much. What we need to do is go and add a name. So I'm just going to name this generous, but you can name it what you want. So we are creating a game pass here, but it's all going to make sense. So keep watching. Add the description if you want, you don't have to. And then what you need to do is go down and press create pass. So it's now been created. You're going to find it in this list, as you can see, just here at the top. As you can see, here it is in the list. And you're probably thinking, why have I got a game pass? Well, now what we can do is we're going to go and put it on sale. So you want to go and tap it. Once again, you may need to go and tap it again. Then what you need to do is go to the top left of creations and press the 3 lines. And you can press the second option, which is sales. So what we're going to need to do is go and put this on sale. So I'll go and switch it on. Now for the price, this is going to be the amount of Robux you wish to transfer. Let's go and say I want to go and transfer 20 Robux. What I can do is go and price this at 20, like so. So essentially what we can then do is go and buy this on the other account and we're going to transfer it. Do just note there is a Roblox tax and that is 30%. So because this is 20 Robux, we're only going to get 14 due to the Robux tax as it's 30%. Then what you can do is go and press save changes and the pass is now updated successfully. So we've now finished on this account. You can come and close out this. I'll just go and bring it back here. Now, what you need to do is go and note down the account name here as we're going to need that. So if you go and press on your profile at the top here, you want to go and find the username because you've got the display profile name and then the username. So have the username and come onto the account where you've got the Robux and you want to go and send it from and give it from. And you want to go and press search in the top right. And then you need to go and type in the username of the account, which I just showed you for me was GR videos, just like so. Then what we can do is go and search for it. You need to go and filter for people at the top. Here they are. So you can go and add them if you want to. You probably want to if you're giving them Robux anyway. But what you can do is go and scroll down and press view full profile. Wait for this to load. And then you want to go and press creations. And they're going to have the experience here. Go and press creations like so. And then there should be the experience here. And you want to go and click on it like this. Now you need to go and scroll down. You'll go and see it says unavailable, but we'll go and find the store here. Now, as you can see, we've got the different things. There's probably only one pass for sale here, but it doesn't matter. Find the amount you want to go and do. In this case, we'll do 20. Then we'll go and press buy. So now that 20 Robux is going to go and leave our account. I'll just go and show you that. If I press the Robux icon at the top, it's now 136. Now, you can go onto this account. Now, it's important to note the Robux is going to be pending, so you can't go and see the Robux immediately. You can actually go and check your pending Robux balance. We've got a video on that, but you'll need to wait a few days. It does vary how long it can take, but when it goes and finishes pending and it's unpending, it'll then automatically move to your balance, and then it'll go and be on this account here. So that's it. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.